I'm Charles Lewton-Brain. We're here at the Ganoksin Studios in Boston, Massachusetts. And we're going to demonstrate and talk about how to turn wax, like on a lathe, using your flex shaft. And the first thing that we would do is we would take a sharp tool. I might be able to use X-Acto knife like that, a box cutter. I'm going to use an unmounted burr. And I now have a lathe. You see why you want this as secure as possible. And so the first thing I would do is take off all those corners until I have this into as close to a cylinder as I can get it. If I wanted to have this as the finished object, a lovely surface, taking it back down to smooth, check on my big bezel wall. Reduce it. I'm going to check with a measuring tool how I'm doing on the thickness here. Okay, got a ways to go, but good thing to check.